How to fix Roblox Studio is not responding on PC. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about the Roblox player not working on your PC. Does Roblox Studio freeze and show the not responding message while you're working on your game? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the not responding error. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to try repairing the Roblox Studio. To do this, you need to right click on this Roblox Studio icon, tap on more, and then tap on open file location. Now, the file explorer will open this folder. Right click on it and again select open file location. And here you will see the option of Roblox Studio Beta. From this folder, delete everything except the Roblox Studio installer. And just double click on it and open the Roblox Studio, and this should start working fine. Another thing you can do is, if it still does not respond, you can allow the Roblox Studio to access the internet through the Windows firewall. Tap on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender firewall. Scroll down and make sure that the Roblox application and the Roblox Studio application is selected. If the Roblox Studio application is not over there, tap on Allow another app. Copy the path of the Roblox Studio and paste it over here and tap on Add, and you'll be done. If that does not work, uninstall the Roblox Studio and then reinstall it again. To uninstall it, simply go ahead and search for Add or Remove Programs. Simply search for Roblox Studio application. Tap on Uninstall and tap on Uninstall again to confirm. Then go to the Google search engine and type in Roblox Studio Download and download it from the official website. That's how you can fix the not responding problem with the Roblox Studio on your computer. So if the video helped you, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.